Hello rail fans, have you ever had one of those days? As we were coming through Callahan, we heard some scratch on the scanner. We turned on Brandeis Avenue and about halfway down to the track we actually saw the engines pass. Little did we know what the day would hold. It had rained during the night and it didn't have too much promise of being a fair day, but we're out and about, and it was raining just before we got here and still threatening. And that goes along with rail fanning. We decided to go from Callahan down to Crawford, which is only about 4 miles or so, or 5. And as soon as we turned at the road to come down to the tracks here, guess what we saw? We saw the engines going across the diamond. While we were here, directly in front of us, a little to the left, is a big opening. Family came up, set a festival tent up, lawn chairs, and they were going to make a day of rail fanning right directly across the diamond in the direction we're looking. Another fellow from McCalla, he come across the tracks and talked to us for quite a while. And so even if we missed the engines, it still was a pretty good day for rail fanning. We chased a train from Folkestone that was heading north, and because he had some real low single container level cars on there, we knew he was going up the eastern seaboard to more than likely New Jersey. So we chased that train up to Nahunta, Georgia. And when we got here, I was on the wrong track. So we happened to see this train, and it's on the A line that we were supposed to be on. So we missed the engines on this military train. But that's okay. There'll be another day. Well, this is Waycross, and that's the sub that goes down to Folkestone. We just pulled into town. If we didn't have too much to do, we could chase it back to Folkestone. We had come down from Nahunta down to Waycross and happened to pull into our normal spot that we like to video and miss the train engines again. That happens. We would actually be back on the other side of the tracks on a different corner toward the end of the day, and that'll be in a separate video. That's a special train, and this here was just one of our spots we like to get to because it's easy, it's well off the tracks, very safe, and good location because you got trains. This is only about a mile from Rice Yard. A lot of freight.
Yeah. A lot of freight.
As always, we appreciate you watching to the end, and we'll see you next time.